The sound of a radio crackles to life.
685 approves requested. Wind is estimated 100 F5. Use pass remain south of runway.
It's the sound of a lifeline.
You are in 148. Confirm position from airfield.
A lifeline that's getting humanitarian aid into the earthquake-ravaged country of Haiti.
Roger.
The voices on the ground are those of combat controllers from the 23rd Special Operations Squadron from Hurlburt Field, Florida.
What brings UN 148 with you is descending BFR into the field.
Working from a fold-out table in the middle of Port-au-Prince, Haiti's airport, airmen like Staff Sergeant Joshua Craig are controlling air traffic in the area.
Roger, current temperature 43 degrees Celsius.
It's hot, dusty, and humid, and these airmen were on the ground within hours of the earthquake. 20 minutes later, they were talking to aircraft from around the world, delivering humanitarian aid to the people of this tiny country.
How far do you want us to go? I know there's some traffic in final.
The language barrier is kind of difficult. You got pilots from all over the world trying to talk, and you're all we try to use the same phraseology, air traffic control phraseology, but sometimes it's hard to understand the pilots from different nations.
But the language barrier isn't the only challenge these airmen like Sergeant Craig have to overcome.
It's a small airport. We got so many aircraft coming in, it's kind of hard to find the coordination between RAPCON, which are the guys that are bringing them in, out holding, to the amount of space that we have available here at the airport. That's why we're trying to put guys in the grass and finding as much space, utilizing as much space as we can on the airport.
Looking around the airfield, if you didn't know any better, you'd think you were at an air show with so many different aircraft on the ground from around the globe. In some ways, it is an air show of support on a global stage. And it's airmen like Sergeant Craig who play a key role in getting relief supplies on the ground and into the hands of the people who need it most.
Oh, it's a phenomenal honor, and I mean, everybody here just is completely honored to be here and be part of this great humanitarian effort that America's doing. I mean, we can't even describe it. You know, we know it's going to be historic, and we're so glad to be a part of it.
Tech Sergeant Steve German, Port-au-Prince, Haiti.